The question of whether you need children is one of the most significant ones a person may ask themselves during their lifetime. It touches not only on individual desires, but also on deep reflections about the meaning of life, responsibility, and the ability to give something to others. The answer to this question is deeply personal and depends on various factors. For many people, children are a natural continuation of life. They embody love that can be passed on, provide an opportunity to teach someone important things, and allow you to witness the growth and development of a new person. Children often become a source of joy and purpose, adding new colors and challenges to life. For some, the desire to have children is instinctive or culturally ingrained, as family is traditionally seen as one of life's main achievements. However, there is another side to the coin. The decision to have children carries immense responsibility. It involves financial expenses, emotional investment, and a need for constant care and attention. Raising a child is not only a source of joy, but also a challenge that can impact relationships, careers, and lifestyle. Many people admit they are not ready for such responsibility or do not feel the desire to have children. Personal values and goals play a significant role in this question. Some people believe their calling lies in career development, travel, creativity, or other life aspects that can be difficult to combine with raising children. Others are convinced they can fulfill themselves by contributing to the world in other ways, such as through volunteering or supporting environmental initiatives. Furthermore, the modern world offers various forms of family life, and more people are choosing to remain child-free. This may be a conscious choice driven by a desire to avoid additional obligations or to focus on oneself. Sometimes, such a choice is influenced by circumstances, such as medical reasons or the absence of a suitable partner. It is crucial to understand that the decision to have children must be voluntary and well thought out. Pressure from society, family, or friends can lead to wrong decisions that will affect not only your life, but also the lives of future children. Everyone has the right to decide whether they want to become a parent, and this decision should not be judged based on societal standards. Ultimately, the question, "Do you need children?" comes down to understanding yourself, your desires, and your capabilities. If you are ready to dedicate yourself to this role, children can be a wonderful addition to your life. If you choose a different path, that is perfectly fine too. The most important thing is to live in accordance with your convictions and be honest with yourself. Thank you for watching.